Hi gorgeous, Valentine here with Chicken Florentine Shell, joy stuffed in shells, so fresh it practically sings. But sharing this stuffed comfort with you is what I'm really chuffed about. Start by cooking 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken until fork tender. I'll be boiling it in salted water. If you already have rotisserie chicken, this is a perfect use for it. Once the chicken is cooked through, shred it into small pieces, no larger than a ½ inch. Then add it to your mixing bowl and we'll make the filling. Add 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, a 13 to 15 ounce can of chopped spinach, be sure to drain it first, a 4-ounce can of drained mushroom stems and pieces, a 10-ounce can of diced tomato and green chilies, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a teaspoon each of oregano, basil, and thyme. Taste the filling and add a little salt if needed. Then bring a large pan of salty water to a boil so we can cook the shells until al dente. Once the shells are al dente, rinse them under cool water so they can be safely handled as we fill them. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare 2 baking dishes, one 9 by 13 inch dish and a smaller one. Spread a cup of marinara in the bottom of your 9 by 13 baking dish and a 1/4 cup of sauce in your smaller dish. You're probably wondering why 2 dishes. I found using whole cans of ingredients when mixing the filling and then making an extra dish is easier and less wasteful than scaling the ingredients back and having partial cans left over. If using fresh ingredients instead of canned, scale the amounts back by 20%. Check out the full written recipe in the comments below for more details. Fill each shell with 1½ to 2 tablespoons of the chicken Florentine mixture and nestle them next to each other in the larger baking dish. This should yield 28 to 30 stuffed shells in your larger baking dish with some leftover mixture and broken shells. Mix together the leftover pasta and filling. That leftover mixture will go into your smaller baking dish, and our stuffed shells will get topped with another ½ cup of marinara and 4 ounces of mozzarella. Another ounce or 2 of cheese goes on top of our smaller bake. Bake both dishes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, rotating them halfway through. After baking, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Good food, like good company, is worth waiting for. All that's left is for you to make these chicken Florentine shells a reality in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did.